When I first bought these, I thought, oh no, because I usually use a set of 12, and I just assumed there was 12, and I didn't count. So this is what I usually use in my classes, is a set of 12. Those of you that take classes with me. But I thought, well, okay, we'll make do, and I really didn't want to take it back. I guess what attracted me to it was the fact that it has some nice mixing wells, and some wells where you can make some pretty good washes in. So I decided that I would just go ahead and keep it. And so I'm going to do a product review on it. You can see here it has a nice brush. I didn't even notice that. I guess I need to be a little more alert when I go to the store, the local store. As you can see. And I'll always be able to use the paint. And if you think Winsor Newton paint is a little pricey, it is a little bit more than the really cheap stuff, but oh, it lasts forever and you'll just love it. It's just really nice. It's a really, Winsor Newton Cotman brush. And you see it has some nice wells here. Oopsie. And, well, before I forget, make sure you subscribe, okay? Because you'll encourage me to keep doing product demos and lessons, and I offer some free lessons. But you can see these nice wells. Now the only thing I might not like about this is if I turn this over, it probably won't seal very well. But I think what I might do is I might just stick them both maybe in a really nice plastic bag before when I end my lessons, and store them. Maybe just stick them in here. Maybe a plastic bag for each one of them. That's kind of nice to do. And then I usually put like a really, really wet paper towel in there. And they last probably for a week or so, at least. Anyway, I think you'll like these. Let me just stick a little bit of paint in here. And let's see, a color we can see. And let's put a little here. I like to keep my palettes pretty clean. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and we'll take some water. As you can see, you could just use a little bit of it and put it on one of your paintings. Or you could use a really nice wash and have a lot. Pretty good wash in there. And I like it because it slants down to the bottom, so sometimes if you want a little stronger on top, you can make it stronger and then more diluted on the bottom. And in here, if you want to mix some colors, say let's use a little bit of the green. Oh yeah, there's two blues missing here. I was trying to figure out because it did have black and ivory and it had the white, but it has the two. This is just ultramarine blue. In a set of 12 it has two other colors of blue. So let's take a little bit of this green, and you can see we can have a, so we can take this and take some of the orange, kind of make it a brown. There's a dark green and a brown. And just make different shades of it. Put a little bit of water in there and you can see you make it lighter. Okay, now this does need to sort of be primed, this palette. And you know what? If you stop by my website, I have a free little tutorial on how to do that, how to get these to where they will not beat up like this and mix and smooth really nice for you. Again, that's on my website, www.constancehessman.com. Got some free classes there too if you'd like to sign up for some. And remember, subscribe and like, because then I'll be bringing you more and more, because I'll think, oh, they want more, they want more. Okay, okay, I'll bring you more. Thank you.